segment is sponsored by Oakdale Egg Farms.
A frittata is a go-to dinner for our family.
Yeah, I'll bet, and they are delicious. So let's put a little Christmas into it.
We are going to put a little Christmas into it with some red and green bell peppers, of which I'm sauteing here, that I've added together with some onions, a little bit of olive oil in here. Get that all nice and sauteed together so that it becomes very fragrant and delicious. So while that's sauteing over here, what I want to do is work on some of the ingredients over here that we want to add to it. I have a dozen Oakdale eggs. They're my favorite eggs. They're all organic, no hormones, cage-free, they're no antibiotics, very delicious eggs. And I just love the family too. They're a local company here and they're just nice people. So I have some russet potatoes here that I'm going to add into here as well. So let's put those into there, and I'm gonna get these shredded up because I'm gonna actually have a shredded up potato base on these frittatas here. And so normally a frittata translates into an omelet. It's an omelet, but we're gonna have a little fun here and create basically one that has some potatoes in it on the base and get those sauteed. Now, while you're doing the potatoes here, you can also have everything else ready. I have some cheese that I've grated up already, and those are ready to go. These have been washed and are ready to go. Let's add those into there. And the other thing when you're using russet potatoes, be sure that you actually rinse them off. They're gonna have a lot of starch on them, and you want a lot of, all of that starch rinsed off of there as well. So let's just do this last one, and we'll get it ready to go. The eggs are ready to go. To the eggs, I'm gonna add some ham into there, some Christmas ham, and a little bit of cream as well. These are gonna be whisked together with some cheese, and they'll be poured over the top of the hash browns that we are making here that will be sauteed with our onions and bell peppers. So very flavorful, very colorful, a great way to use Oakdale eggs. Guys, when we come back, we'll finish this all up. It's a delicious Christmas morning breakfast idea, or any time of the year idea.
You bet.
Or any time of the day for that.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot. Do you have the nutrition labels on this frittata?
I'll work on that, Ron, for you. I'll get that all taken care of. Let's get this out of the oven now. It doesn't take long to cook because the pan's already hot. You've sauteed the onions, the bell peppers, the potatoes in there. So it was nice and hot. It's in the oven now. It's baked off. It's perfect. The only thing I have to say, and guys, I've done this before, be really careful. It's an oven-safe pan, but be oh so careful, because what I actually end up doing is forgetting that it was in the oven, and I grabbed the handle and burned myself. So that's not a very good thing to do. But it's a delicious way to have a wonderful breakfast idea that truly was so easy to do, you guys. And you can put this together within, as you saw, just a few minutes for your family or friends that are coming over. I'm going to serve that right there. And in my head, I was thinking, oh, I'll just grab that. And then I'm like, oh, no, that's a hot pan, so I don't want to do that. And I'll just bring that over and show you that right there, a delicious frittata with Christmas ham that you can, I'm sure all of you are going to have Christmas Eve with that, as well as the potatoes in there, the vegetables, and deliciousness. Oakdale eggs are a great choice. You can find them in the refrigerator section there in your grocery store. No hormones, no antibiotics, cage-free, all organic. I've often referred to them as the Cadillac of the eggs out there, but they are so good. I actually went up to the Oakdale egg farms the other day with my mom, and we actually got eggs from them. So hello to all of them up there. Head on over to cookingwithchefbrian.com, grab the recipe there. It is featured right on the home page right now, or you can go to KUTV.com and grab that recipe as well. But it's a wonderful idea for Christmas morning breakfast, using up the ham that obviously everybody's going to be using for Christmas here, or any day of the week, guys. It's a delicious Christmas frittata with Oakdale eggs. Gotta love it.
That looks delicious. Yeah. Thank you.